Hi, I'm Greg with Precision Replacement Parts. Today we're here with a tech tip on the 73 to 80 vent frames. We can get multiple calls on the division post holes not lining up. We're going to show how to address that issue today. I've gone ahead and put the division post into the main frame. Now as we're finding out that these lower holes for the rivets line up, it's the upper holes that don't. So what we're going to do is we're going to re-drill the upper holes. Now re-drilling these holes does not affect the strength of the main frame, nor does it affect the division post. Using the appropriate drill bit, according to what the rivet calls out for, we'll insert the rivets and fasten our division post in place. We'll go ahead and attach our division post to the main frame. As you can see, the distance and the difference where the holes are in the division post versus the ones in the main frame. Again, by re-drilling and moving them, it doesn't affect the strength. For more tech tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.